Here is your second vocabulary video in a row. The first one was all about parts of the body, which I thought was important because everyone has a body. This video will be about food, because everyone who has a body needs to feed it. But if you were looking for a video about all types of traditional Korean dishes, this isn't it. We're going to learn about food on more of an ingredients level. Fruit in Korean is gwail. 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 Vegetables is yachae. Yachae. I really like that word. Yachae. Beans is kongnu. Kongnu. Look at that consonant assimilation. The real sounds like n. Kongnu. Beans. Potatoes is gamja. Gamja. Do you know what French fries is? Gamja twigum. Potato twigs. Rice we've seen before. Bop. Bop actually only refers to cooked rice. Uncooked rice is called sol. Bop and sol. Bread is called bang. 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 Noodles is guksu. 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 But there are types of noodles, like ramen and pasta, which are basically the same words in English. Milk is uyu. 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 I think that's a really cute word. Uyu. Korea doesn't have a long history of dairy farming, so dairy products are usually English loanwords. For example, cheese, cheese, butter, butter, yogurt, yogurt, or yogurt. Meat is gogi. All the different types of meat are called blank gogi. For example, beef, cow meat, is sogogi. So means cow. Sogogi. Pork is pig meat. Dwaejigogi. Dwaeji is a pig. The Korean word for chicken, if it's alive, is tok. The real in the bachim goes silent. Remember that? If the chicken is dead and being made into food, it's called chicken meat. Tteokgogi. And if we're talking about deep fried chicken or chicken wings, Koreans call that chicken. Now, fish. Here's the exception to the gogi pattern we've been using. Fish is actually water meat. Mulgogi. Mul means water. And mulgogi refers to living fish and food fish. There is another word for fish, sengsan, which also refers to living fish and cooked fish as well. And you never say sengsan gogi, just sengsan or mulgogi. You will notice that animal names in Korean are similar to the sounds the animal makes, like in Pokemon. My Korean friend disagrees with this idea that animals say their own names in Korean, but I will show you my animal sounds anyway. So. Dwaeji, 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 dwaeji. This one's a stretch, but it's at least as good as oink. Dog sounds a lot like dog. Eggs is all. Nuts is gyeonggwa. And that is our trip through the food pyramid. So what did you eat today? Practice describing your food at every meal. And when you think you're ready, test yourself, flashcard style, with my next video. Thanks for studying with me, everybody.